The wilderness. How I love the wilderness. Rock forms, boulders, the distant view of a valley, the smell of the moss, the sound of silence. Unless the rain starts to fall, at which point, I'll bet, if you were here in the wilderness, and the rain started to fall, you'd likely grab a little raincoat or a bloody umbrella, wouldn't you? A raincoat or an umbrella, or a plastic bag, or some form of man-made, manufactured coverage to keep you out of the rain. But you're not Bushman Bob, are you? When I find myself in the wilderness, and I find the rain starts to fall, I either stand and enjoy the feeling of the water falling on my face until it turns into a bloody downpour, at which point then I find shelter. Yes, that's right, shelter. Mother Nature always provides. Keep that in mind when you're in the wilderness, that Mother Nature always provides. One must look around to see if there is a shelter from the rain. Indeed, as I did recently. I found this rock form. A beautiful ridge. A lovely ridge indeed. Fascinating boulders. If you find yourself in the wilderness when the rain starts to fall, you might find yourself blessed with a cave. Indeed. Yes, that's right. A small cave to find shelter from the rain, from the snow, from the sleet, from the hail, from the wrath that Mother Nature can unleash upon thee when one is in the wilderness. Let's go check it out, shall we? I've arranged a little sitting post. Lovely boulder, indeed. Put the rifle down, perhaps. Yes. The rifle. Yes. And let's just have a little seat, perhaps, shall we? Yes. Oh, lovely. Oh, my. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, indeed. Indeed, a lovely shelter. I find myself here, protected from the weather that Mother Earth might unleash. I just might find myself having a little snooze. That's right, a snooze. A snooze here in my personal little cave. Lovely, isn't it? My goodness. Go ahead, unleash your wrath. I have a personal cave. Isn't that lovely? Indeed. Thank you. Thank you very much.